Task number 13. So what we have 5 links listed below under number 13, and in the instructions I have the step-by-step per link what you're to do. Each step's pretty simple. So link 1 is going to take you to the beautiful tricks of flowers. You're going to watch the video and discuss the questions. So I'm going to open that link, and what you get is the video. And over here on the right side we have watch, and that's where it's at right now. Once you watch the video, if you go to the think, click here, you see questions. Now if you try to answer these on the website, it's going to ask you to log in, and you don't need to do that. Just look at the answers, discuss them with somebody next to you, and just go to the next question. You can either do that by clicking on the numbers up above here, or use the arrows in the box and just discuss them with somebody next to you. You're not going to see an answer key, right or wrong, but that's alright. Through discussion you'll be able to come up with the right answers, I'm sure. Back here for the second link will take you to the hidden beauty of pollination. This is there are no questions here. This is just some amazing photography, a few minutes of what's going on with those pollinators around you. Even if you sit and watch them, this is done with high-speed, amazing camera work, and it gives you a complete different perspective on what's going on around you. So back to link number 3, you're going to launch the interactive next to the flower picture. You can do it alone, in a pair, or in a small group, but it gives you some information and some questions. So the third link looks like this. We'll have a pop-up as to your local TV station, PBS station. You can either click yes or hit the X and get rid of it. But the launch interactive is right here next to the flower picture, and when you click on the launch interactive, it's going to take a moment to load, and then it's going to show you some flowers and with some hints to see if you can pick the right pollinator, and then you can submit your answer and move through each of the different flowers. And then the fourth link here, explore and know the difference between monocots and dicots. It is a website, Monocots and Dicots Explained. There is a little video. You can watch it or not. It's only like 3 minutes and 18 seconds there. But below that it also goes through in terms of text what the differences are between monocots and dicots. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple, not a lot of information, but it is something you will be tested on. And then when you complete that, I think I mentioned it in some classes, there's a flower anatomy on Quizlet. It's much like the piece of paper you had, but you should study that material and come ready to go, because the test is right around the corner.